Grid is a financial app that focuses on helping users manage money with features connected to cash flow and financial tools. By the end, you'll know what Grid offers, whether it can actually help with credit building, and what to check before deciding if it fits your goals. Grid is often searched by people who want better control over their finances and are looking for tools that may support their financial progress. The first thing to understand is that credit building depends on how credit information is reported and managed. A financial app can provide useful money tools, but that does not automatically mean it will improve your credit score. If you are considering Grid for credit building, check exactly which features affect your credit profile and whether your activity is reported to credit bureaus. This information determines whether the service can actually help with building credit history. Grid may be useful for people who want more visibility into their finances. Having tools that show spending, cash flow, and money activity can make it easier to understand your financial habits. The value depends on what you need. If your main goal is tracking money and managing your finances, Grid's tools may be helpful. If your main goal is improving credit, you need to confirm that the features directly support that goal. Before signing up, review the membership details, available features, and any costs. A service is only worth paying for if the tools solve a problem you already have. Credit building usually requires consistent financial habits over time. Paying bills on time, managing balances responsibly, and using credit products that report activity can all play a role. Grid can be a helpful financial tool, but it should be evaluated based on what it actually provides, rather than what people hope it will do. The best way to decide is to compare Grid with other credit building options. Look at whether it reports activity, what features you will use regularly, and whether the cost makes sense for your situation. If you want to build credit, start by understanding your current credit profile and choosing tools that directly support that goal. Grid may be worth considering for people who want financial management features and clearer control over their money. The key things to check are credit reporting, features, and overall value. Before committing, read the terms carefully and make sure the app matches your specific financial goal. If this helped you understand whether Grid is worth considering, subscribe for more simple reviews of financial apps and credit tools.